This video has been brought to you by granatoys.com. The most asked question I get on Peak Time Racing is, where do I purchase my Hot Wheels cases? And it's at Grana Toys. Grana Toys offers a full line of mainline and premium Hot Wheels, as well as Greenlight, Matchbox, Disney cars, Johnny Lightning, and M2 machines. Check them out at www.granatoys.com, or also check them out on their eBay. There'll be links in the description box below.
What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing, and we are doing my favorite type of videos. We're unboxing a brand new Hot Wheels case, and the case we're unboxing today is the 2018 Hot Wheels Q case. There it is, the awaited one. Let's go ahead and pop it open, and let's see if we can find a super treasure hunt like we did on the previous case. There's got to be some good cars in here. Let's go ahead and pop open this case and see what we can find. I already see some fantastic cars, so let's get right to the top of it, right up here. And we've got our first two. We've got the Cruella Deville. This is the non-super treasure hunt variation. Then we've got Audacious. Very, very cool. And we'll unbox some of the cars that maybe we haven't opened up previously. We'll unbox and we'll see. This is the Hot Wheels Zoom In, a white variation. You know what? Let's go ahead and pop this one open. I have the black one, and I think I have not opened up a white one yet. So there's the white one. Very, very cool. You put your GoPro Hero 5 session right there, and then you can do some cool videos. We got more videos of the Hot Wheels Zoom In coming up, so stay tuned for those on this channel here. And what else do we have? We have another Cruella Deville mainline variation. We've got the Cool Combi. We'll move it on down the line here. We've got the Rally Cat. Looks like a new color variation of the Rally Cat. And then we've got another Hot Wheels Zoom In. And we got two of the Tesla Model X's in the black colored variation. Cool, cool, very nice. All right, let's see what else we have up top over here. We've got the Sci-Fi, kind of a weird helicopter type of thing. Then we've got the 2010 Pro Stock Camaro and a Fiat 500. I haven't opened up one of these Pro Stock Camaros, so let's go ahead and pop it open. Boom, there we go. Check this out. I like this. It's kind of like a matte gray, but with a gloss finish on it. You know what I mean? Kind of cool. Really like it. The Moon Eyes cars, we've got this one now in, this is the third color variation of it. We got a yellow one, a black one, and now we've got this gray colored one. Very nice. All right, we'll put that one aside. What fell down here? We've got the 52 Chevy. There it is, 52 Chevy. And I think we had that one previously in the last case. We'll leave that one there. Then we've got the Baja Hauler. Check it out, Pet Boys, sponsored on there. Then we've got the 52 Chevy, another one of those. And what else do we have right here? We've got the Rise and Climb, one of the new color variations of the Rise and Climb for the 50th anniversary set. We got a new color variation for the Tooligan. Check out the Tooligan. Very cool. It's actually a wrench on the back of it. You can actually use this as an actual tool. Very, very cool looking car. Then we got the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect, and this is a Hot Wheels art car. These new art cars, I was saying this in a couple of previous videos, they're looking so good now. They're putting a lot of work and detail into these art cars. So very happy with that one. Put that one aside over there. Then we got two of the custom 67 Pontiac Firebirds, and we got a 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. Very cool looking cars. And we've seen several color variations of this Firebird. And now we got this one here. We'll have to, you know what? Let's open one of them up. Why not? Why not? Let's get a closer look at this one. See what it's all about. There we go. Pontiac Firebird. Boom. Very cool. I love the exposed engine on that. Looks awesome. All right, we'll put that into the collection. What else do we have here? We've got another Mad Props. We've seen lots of Mad Props this year, lots of variations and colors of it. Then we've got the Boneshaker 50th Anniversary Edition, and this is in that like burnt orange color. I don't know, it's kind of a weird color. I don't know why they released this color for the 50th Anniversary set. I really like the blue ones that they have, but nonetheless, those will go into the collection, and I'm dropping cars here like crazy. Here we go, here we go. Volkswagen Beetle. Looks like the tuned out Beetle. We've got another color variation. That's a neat color variation. Let's go ahead and pop this one open and get a closer look at this one. There we go. Check this one out. That one is cool. It's kind of a weird color, but the flame job on it, the big exposed engine, and the nice wheels with the colored lip. Awesome car, like it. HW50 concept, we got two of these. Very popular casting this year. And you know what? I have one of these open. We got to open up another one here. Let's go ahead and pop another one open. We've got to have a couple extras of these. We've been racing lots of these down the track, so having an extra one open would be cool. There it is, HW50 concept. And apparently a lot of detail went into this casting before they released it. A lot of work went into it and stuff, but very, very cool looking. I like it. For a fantasy casting, it's a cool looking casting. And this blue is such an epic, awesome blue color for the 50th anniversary set. There we go. So put that one aside. We'll get the extra one, pop it over there. And then we've got some teed off 2. These like golf carts with super, super big engines. Yeah, very fantasy-ish. All right, let's put those aside. We've got the HW450F motorbike. We've got a Demon. There it is, the nice demon-looking car. We got lots of demons already. I found quite a few of them. Lamborghini Countach pace car in white. I've also found several variations of those. Very cool castings. We'll put those ones aside. What else do we have in here? We've got the Rockster. We've got the 70 Chevelle SS Wagon and Exotique. Exotique in a very new color. That's a cool. It's kind of like a candy red, but a matte finish to it. You know what? Let's pop it open. I want to see what this looks like. Cars are dropping beside me. Oh no, the pile up of Hot Wheels. There we go. Very, very cool. Very cool. Like it. All right, let's see. Which was your favorite car so far? Throw those in the comments down below, guys. What was your favorite car of this case so far? Yeah? All right, let's open the other side of the case and let's see what else we can find inside of this. We've got the Batman animated series car, and I think this is a new color. It's kind of like a bluish color to it. Interesting color. Then we've got the King Cuda in the new white variation, as well as another Rise and Climb. I don't have this King Cuda in white yet, so let's go ahead and pop it open. This is a really cool casting this year. I really enjoyed it. The Super Treasure Hunt variation of it that they came out with was very, very nice, but this white one and the King Cuda, wow, that does look cool. Very, very cool. Thumbs up for the King Cudas this year. Thumbs up for those King Cudas. Yes. All right, let's see what else we have up top here. Ooh, we've got the Porsche 934 Turbo Rs, the green color variation. This one, very, very collectible, nice color. I'm so happy they released the green color variation of these. Respect to all the new color variations of Porsches that we got this year. Then we got the Bot Wheels. I think that's a new color for the Bot Wheels as well. And let's see what else we got down here. We've got the Rig Storm. We got a Winning Formula, Fairlady 2000, and the Embosser. Let's go ahead and pop open the Winning Formula. I think we had a few different color variations of Winning Formula this year. Very cool looking fantasy F1 car. I actually think it looks better than the Indy Oval, but Indy Oval is just more of a classic car. Very cool though. I like this casting. Very, very interesting casting. Then we got the Fairlady 2000. Nothing too interesting. Embosser. Let's open up the Embosser. We gotta pop open the Embosser here. And if you guys don't know about the Embosser, if you actually get a piece of paper and slide it underneath the Embosser right here, and then push down, this whole thing pushes down, it will actually imprint a Hot Wheels logo into it. So if you guys haven't got the Embosser yet, get an Embosser, and you can imprint a Hot Wheels logo into the Embosser, into your little car right there. So cool looking car, cool looking that it does that. So very, very nice. All right, we got two of the McLaren P1s in the brand new green color variation. I love this green color. It looks awesome. And you guys know how much I love McLarens, and the P1, of course, one of my favorite Hot Wheels castings. Great. I've already got lots of those ones open, so we'll put those into the collection. What else do we have here? We got the Cool Combi, new color of the Cool Combi. There it is. Look at all the peace signs and all that. Art Cars, like I said, Art Cars looking fantastic this year. Then we got two of the 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600s. This was a very nice casting. I've already got several of those open, so we'll throw those ones aside. What else do we got in here? We got another Bot Wheels. We got the 1970 Camaro in this cool looking orange color. We got a 53 Chevy. Check it out, looking cool with all those flames. There we are, there we are. Let's put those ones aside. What else do we got in here? We got the Skull Shaker in the new red color for the Skull Shaker. Classic Nomad. That's very, very Halloweenish looking for that classic Nomad. And we got this 70 Chevelle Ss Wagon, another one of those. What else do we have up top here? We got the we got the 2000, the Corvette C7 Z06 or Z06 because I'm from Canada. That's right. All right, BMW K1300R. Yes. If you guys want more colors of the C7 Z06, smash that thumbs up. I want to see more colors of this. We've already seen several color variations, but I love that casting. I love it, love it, love it. We got the Bogzilla. That's a new looking color on that one. What is that? That's kind of like a copper looking color. Interesting, interesting. Oh, wow. This 64 Impala Art Cars. I mean, the trend continues with how amazing the new art cars are. We're opening this one up. We have to open it up. Let's see this. Look at that. Look at the paint job on this thing. That is crazy. Yeah, I mean, just to design this, even on a computer that Hot Wheels is doing, this must have taken a lot of time to design that paint and Tampa work on there. But that looks awesome. Even look at the blacked out grill on it too. All right, I love this car. Unexpected 64 Impala Art Car. You guys got to grab that one. Awesome car. All right, what else do we got up top here? Eruption, new color variation of the Eruption. Kind of looks like a matte gray finish to it. And we've got the Fandango from the Checkmate series. And we got another one of the Pro Stock Camaros. Throw those ones aside. What else do we have? Oh, check it out. The 720S. Yes, you guys know how much I absolutely love the white McLaren 720S. I already have it. You guys have known. I found one in store. I bought one from someone locally. I just could not wait to get this car, but these are definitely going into my collection as I wanted a couple of them that were closed and sealed up, so we'll put those ones aside. Then we've got the Aristo Rat, and that's a cool new color. You know what? We're popping this one open too. Why not? Let's go ahead and pop this one open. Ooh, check it out. It's almost like the matte finish color on the 50th anniversary cars. It's a bit lighter though, and I presume that these are the glow-in-the-dark wheels as well. So if you have this car, try it out. I think these wheels do glow in the dark. It's even got a little thing carrier on there, so you can carry some stuff around if you want to. Very, very cool. All right, we'll put that aside. And our last three cars in here, what do we have? We got the Hot Wheels Pop a Wheelie and another art car series. Check it out. Wow, we got the Maximum Leeway and the Hot Wheels High. All right, let's pop open the Pop a Wheelie one. Check it out. And there's no mistake on this one. That's just how it rolls. It rolls just like that. It stays up perfectly fine. It doesn't actually, it's not weighted down here. All the weight's down below here, so it stays up. But check it out. It's even got this little thing right here in case it does go down. You can ride it like that. So you can play with it two ways. Boom, 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 boom. All right, there we go. We'll put that one aside. And you know what? We'll open up this one too. Hot Wheels High. We've seen a couple of different color variations of the Hot Wheels High. Cool looking school bus. There it is. Check out flames. It's got some sort of like angry basketball on the side of it. Up on the top right there, we can see right through of it. And check out all the chrome. Looks like, is this jet powered? It's a jet powered car. Wow. Okay. We got a jet-powered school bus. All right, guys. That's going to wrap it up for the unboxing. Make sure you guys check out the sponsor of this video, granatoys.com, where you can actually subscribe and order yourself your own Hot Wheels cases so you can unbox them just like me. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you guys smash that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Peak Timers, for watching this video. Make sure you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe and throw this video a like. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.